Hello, this is the PyTorch Driving Guardian project created for the PyTorch Annual Hackathon 2021. Driving has become an everyday task as mundane as it can get, but indeed a dangerous one. We can identify a number of causes that make this a dangerous activity, including being tired, sleepy, or distracted. This can be by being in an irregular emotional state, not being able to pay attention to the blind spot of the vehicle, crashing, and not being able to get help quickly. The main one is being tired or drowsy. The Center of Disease Control and Prevention says that 35% of the American drivers sleep less than the recommended minimum of 7 hours a day. It mainly affects attention when performing any task, and in the long term, it can affect health permanently. Because of this, we have created a system that will complete monitor of driver alertness, emotional state, and smart blind spot monitor. Our solution consists of three parts: the monitor of drowsiness, emotions, and the blind spot of the car. This demo shows how the camera captures the image of the person's face when driving. By means of a pre-processing with HAR cascades, we obtain the image of both eyes. Each of these images is passed through our convolutional neural network in order to distinguish if the eyes they are closed due to the drowsiness or distracted by looking at the cell phone. If unfortunately the sound was not enough and a crash was generated, the device will send an SMS to the contacts registered in the device. This SMS is sent through an AWS SNS. In this demo, the camera will capture the image of the person's face, performing a pre-processing with HAR cascades to obtain only the image of the person's face. This image will pass through our convolutional neural network, resulting in the person's emotion. For this demo, the camera will obtain images of the car's blind spot, showing it on the device, and also showing a yellow or red notification if the objects detected are very close to the blind spots. Our hope is that systems like this can be incorporated in every car because of its low cost and reduce the alarming statistics we previously discussed. Thanks for watching, hopefully you like the project.